Hi, this will be another short video because there's not much to see here really. I have this, I don't know, this mount for precise lowering and rising. I don't know if you can see the movement. Yeah. This is for macro shots, and I'm building this light, but I don't know how to call it. Light table. Light table is a better name. I will use this plexi. I will use this plexi to cover it, and this will be put on this, and it will allow me to take other macro shots. For example, of this weird animal. I don't know what this is, but it looks interesting. And if you're wondering about this, well, this case was used for something else, so I just repurposed it, filled it with hot melt glue, because I didn't have a small case that wasn't used. Okay, so now let's wait for the glue to harden, and we'll see how it works. There's one more thing. I will be attaching this via magnets, but this is not magnetic, but this is. So I will attach this plate. Okay, so in one chaotic take, this is the reader with a washer here. It shouldn't be that easy to press accidentally. This is the macro stand, macro bed, I don't know how to call it, something for macro extender. And this is a marker. Those are magnets here. Can put it here. It's somewhat magnetic. It's not too magnetic because it's some alloy, and this is out of focus. Let me turn it on. I don't know if you can see the difference. It's pretty bright in here. Turn off some light. Yeah, now you can see the difference. Okay, so let's take some photos.